Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Amara. So I've been shooting videos for you guys, and in fact I just want to improve on my craft. I want my videos to be like really good, so I decided to invest in a ring light. I bought my ring light from Austin 7070, and I have to tell you that they set it up for me in the shop and it looked really good, so I'm trying to set it up right now. If you want to see more of how my ring light looks, just stay and watch. So guys, I've set up the ring light. Now I want to plug it in. There is a space for batteries, but I didn't get the batteries because I didn't budget for the batteries. I just wanted to get this one because I had the money down and I didn't want to like spend it. So now it's time for me to plug it to light. So guys, I've already plugged the the ring light to the electricity socket, and now I want to turn it on. Ignore that pouch. What is this that is showing here? Is it my stomach? Anyway, I want to turn it on, and oh, this is blinding light, guys. This is blinding light. Ooh, it's showing everything. Oh my god. Okay, you can see my face in the yellow light, and this is my face in white light. I think I'm going to be using the white light, guys. I don't think I'm going to be using this yellow light, but yeah, this is it. And if I like feel like, oh, my eyes are hurting me because of the lights, I can simply turn it down. So what I'm doing is turning it down. Yeah, and I think I like this vibe. I think I like this vibe as well. It's not overpowering. Yeah, so I don't look washed out. So for me not to look washed out, I think I can leave it like this. Guys, let me show you what I'm actually touching. So this is what I'm actually touching. If I want the white light to be so white, I'll go towards 5600K. But if I want it to be the other way, I'm going to 3200K. And if I want to reduce the light, I'm going towards this, and if I want it to be bright, I'm going towards this. So I just put my other phone here to just show how I can place my camera in horizontal mode. And as you can see me, this is the mirror. I'm actually using my phone to film right now. Guys, that's it from me. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this light. I think I'm going to be able to shoot cooler content and cooler videos using this light. Please, I bought this light at Banex Plaza. If you're living in Abuja, the name of the shop is Austin 7070, and it's very affordable. I got the light for 20,000 naira. So if you're in Abuja and you want to get a light for your YouTube videos, please make sure to go and check Austin 7070 out. And yeah, expect more good stuff from me. I'm really enjoying this light. I'm actually standing. This is the tripod is 18 inches, and so the tripod is actually, like, you know, really my length. People that know me know that I'm 6'1", and it's like I'm standing and I'm talking to you guys. So I know I'm going to be shooting a lot of cool content for you guys. I'm super excited. Until I see you next time, it's your favorite girl, Amara. Bye.